Good morning. This week parasha is Parashat Behaalotcha. Parashat Behaalotcha starts with lighting menorah. And Rashi asks, what is connection between what happened in last week parasha and telling Aharon, you're going to be lighting the menorah in the Beit HaMikdash? You know, one of the mitzvot in the Beit HaMikdash was that every day we have to light the menorah. Now the Midrash says, it's not because HaKadosh Baruch Hu needs light. It's Orosh Olam. It's the light of the world. Why do we have to light menorah in Beit HaMikdash? For the kavod of the Melech, kavod of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to honor Hashem. Not giving light, but it's honor of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now Rashi asked, what's the connection? Last week for Parasha, we learned about the leaders of the Shabbatim. All of the leaders of the tribe brought korbanot. Each leader brought such a magnificent korban for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And all of the Shabbatim were involved, all the tribes were involved, except Shevet Levi. Shevet Levi didn't bring a korban. Now, a lot of times, we are not merited to be part of the mitzvah. How do we feel? So, this time I'm relaxed. This time, I have some type of off. But Aharon HaKohen felt bad. Like Chazor. He felt bad. He says, not me, not my shevet. We were not involved in such a great Kiddush Hashem. You could imagine every flag, every shevet with the flag with such a great proclamation. They brought such a korbanot, was such a great Kiddush Hashem, publicizing the greatest of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Every shevet and shevet brought korbanot, and was such a beautiful, magnificent scene to see the greatest of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the majesty of Malchut of Hashem. And Aharon felt bad that I wasn't part of it, and my shevet wasn't part of it. Now the Midrash says, HaKadosh Baruch Hu told Aharon something amazing. Omar HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem told Aharon, you feel bad. See, Hashem pays attention to our feelings. What type of feelings we have regarding to missing a mitzvah? Do we feel bad? And here Torah tells us, HaKadosh Baruch Hu zeroed in Aharon. He felt bad. And he responded. What did he respond? I promise you, Aharon, don't feel bad. Your portion is a greater portion. Because you're gonna be lighting the menorah. Now, lighting the menorah, you do it in a very secluded place. Nobody sees, nobody's pay attention. There is no camera video. These leaders, they brought korbanot, they proclaimed publicly, and everybody saw that. Our mind, the way that we think, the way that we conduct ourselves, we care for these things. We see the publicizing, and we see the magnificent scene. We are driven. We are becoming excited. And we say, this is Avodat Hashem. But HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, no. The real Avodah is what you do in a secluded place. Nobody sees, nobody is there. You make a light for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's the greatest Avodah. That's the greatest portion. When a person does something that nobody sees, nobody pays attention, in secluded place, he davens, he learns. It's very easy to daven when everybody is davening. You become part of the crowd. You follow what they are doing. You just be routine. You just be led by them. It's very easy when you are in a very big Beit HaMikdash. Everybody is learning. You are very excited to learn. But if there is nobody there, you are just by yourself in your room. Nobody is there. And you have to go to open a sefer to learn. You have to daven by yourself, pray by yourself. It's much harder. But HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, don't let this society corrupt your mind. This is greater. What you are doing, that intimacy that you are creating with HaKadosh Baruch Hu in a secluded place, because you are connecting within yourself, is a much greater connection to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And what Hashem wants from us. And especially these days, that we don't have that public Beit HaMidrash. You don't have the excitement of davening together. That excitement, the excitement comes within oneself, and that's even greater avodah for HaKadosh Baruch Hu.